today is, I don't remember. So I don't remember today's date. Anyways, that was a great start to the vlog. Today I'm taking you to Gopalpur. Today is the 11th of November. Yes, I remember. Today is the 11th of November and we're going to Gopalpur. So I thought of taking you guys along because this is the first time I'm going to Gopalpur.
I have not visited it in my lifetime, so this is the first time I'm going there. And then like a few family friends who go with us as well. Now Gopalpur is 170 kilometers right from Bhubaneswar, and it's almost like 3 hours film and do everything at the same time. But I'm going to do it. Plus, I have an exam today as well. I have the island standing text for yeah, alright. So enough of that, and now let's just start packing. And yeah, and then there's some birds over here, so let me just show them.
So I just took a bath and I'm still packing. Do you see that? Yeah, so I'm still packing, and again my hair, I don't know what to do. Good that I got it blow dried. I mean, I did not do it on purpose because I got to know that we're going yesterday. I got to know that yesterday, and now I just don't know, like everything's a mess. Like there's all my makeup saman. Obviously I'll not take that much of, so there's only one kit I'm taking, and that I have makeup, skincare, everything. And then there I have like a tripod, and I need to get my ring light also. I don't know how I'm gonna take my tripod and ring light, but I'm gonna film there as well. So because like I need to film my Diwali video there, and it's like all stuff. And one thing that is making me emotional is that this guy right here is not happy me going. So emotional moment, yeah. Alright, so I'll just pack all of the stuff and then see you guys. So guys, just thought of showing you my outfit. I mean, ignore the mess here and there, it's fine. I just focus on my outfit. Like this is a jumpsuit. Ow, that's my keyboard. Anyways, this is a jumpsuit I'm wearing, and it's from Westside. It has really nice this straight band kind of element, like this. I've got a watch, and I've got some earrings. They are super stylish, and yeah, that is it. And yeah, another quick update that I am done packing, and the wardrobe packing is left. Like it's just my mom who has to do all of the packing. And yeah, and I think so I'll just be vlogging with my phone, and DSLR will just be there for like the filming purpose. Yeah, all right, so let's go. And also I've not got any makeup, you can see. And then there's like a lot of color difference in my body and my face. I mean, my face is darker than the rest of my body, but I like it how it is. And I think so I'll just do a bit of makeup. That is, I'll just I don't feel like doing makeup, so leave it. I'll not do any makeup. I'll just apply lipstick and that's it. And yeah, let's just move because I'm in a hurry. I'm just wearing this flats because there's no use of wearing heels on a beach. Okay, so I'm just wearing flats, that's it. Acha. Right guys, so I've come in the washroom to film. I have not filmed much because the phone was shaking like this, and yeah, that's it. And my hair has become horrible. Alright, so this is our room. Ouch. Yeah, let me just close it first. So this is our room. So this is our room. Here we have this beautiful cupboard. I mean, I'm struggling to open this. Leave that. And then we have like walls in this green color. And here's like all the luggage storage, and we have paintings of birds. Now this is the what do you say, the mini fridge, and this is all of the tea and the whatever you say, that thing. Here we have the bathroom, which I'll show you later, and here we have a huge mirror, and here's a very big closet, we can say, and we have a big TV. Then we have again a vanity and a beautiful antique mirror which has two lanterns on either sides. All right, and then we have like some kachada saman over here. This is a very beautiful chair, and the dustbin is so cute. And this is our big king size bed, and then there's like a bath. There's the bathroom over there, but you can't see anything. Now do you see this? I mean, you can actually see the bathroom from here. But yeah, so this is like a side table we have here, again a lantern, and a rug which is too comfy. Oh, this matches with my socks. What do you think? Yeah, it does. Some paintings on there, and again a side table, that phone which and this we have this one, and we have a notepad, and yeah, we have a sofa over here, and this is a coffee table, and this we have beautiful curtains over here, and then this place actually opens up to another big lawn, you can say. Yeah, so this is super pretty. Wait, I'll just close it. Yeah, so this is super pretty as well. Like, you have a laundry to dry your clothes, and you have chairs. Like, this is again a table, and this like a smoking area maybe. Yeah, I mean this again, but none of us obviously smoke. No one smokes. All right. And here we have this big thing where around 4 people. I mean, 2 to 3 people can fit aram se, and we have a net over here so that no jantu, I mean, so that no animal actually comes inside, and we have this thing to hold, and a dustbin again, and then we have the beach view from there. I don't know if I can tour the room where my friends are staying. I mean, they're also staying in a very beautiful room which is much bigger than this, because more number of people are staying in that room, and that room has a private pool as well. Yeah, so do you see all of this? It's so good. I love this place, and it's a very calm place, you guys. I mean, here like that I just feel like chilling, but I just can't. Like, this is the room from the veranda. Like, this is how it looks. I have an exam in an hour. I'll finish that exam, and after that I have a makeup class, dude, and that's quite tough. I really don't think that I was able to people. Yeah, I was just interrupted when I was speaking because I got like a doorbell.
I have an exam, after that I have a class, and I am not actually willing to miss them, and now I'm editing, and then I have to wake up tomorrow morning, and I have to film, so that's like a lot, and by the time I upload this video, you must be seeing that this video is gone, so I'll just show you which video it is.
Alright, so after doing some editing, I have opened my hair, and I think so I should take some pictures. I'll do a bit more of makeup, like I'll hide my dark circles and stuff, and yeah, then let's just take some pictures, and then I'll do an exam, and that's it. So I've come to the beach, and this is what the beach here looks like. I'm currently struggling to walk, but yeah, I mean the beach is beautiful, indeed beautiful, and it's so beautiful. I mean, I really wanna wake up and actually watch the sunrise over here, and there's like a lighthouse, you see, and yeah, you see there's like a lighthouse, maybe I don't know what it's called, and there's uncle Rinku uncle, and Gitu auntie is gone somewhere, and you see my mom there. Yeah, she's stolen my clothes. Yeah, and I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but yeah, it's just all of that. And like, where's that person? That person is really trying to joke around with the sea, and I don't know how I'm gonna give my exam, so I just have like a I just have my notepad with me just in case I plan to give the exam on the beach.
पॉपिंस
Good
पॉपिंस आप कुछ खाना खाए बेबी बेबी क्या खाया है
I'm still attending the class. Just passing through the corridor and there's literally no one because there are very less guests and that's the whole thing. And we have some mermaid paintings over here. It's so beautiful. I mean, the whole decor, the interior, everything is so nice. I mean, I love it. I love this place. It's so peaceful. It's so good. And finally, I got rahats from my classes and from my exam, and that's my mom over there. Alright, and now we have like a water area over here. It's not a pool, it's just like a decor water area, and it's just so beautiful. Do you see that pathway? It's so beautiful. I mean, I just love it. I mean, I'm gonna walk through it and show you how beautiful it is. The tent situation, the dim lighting is so beautiful. I mean, do you see that? It is very, very beautiful, and there you can hear the sound of the beach. It's too dark, so I can't show you the beach, but yeah, that's what I had to show you. I'm doing vlogging and photography at the same time, dude. Yeah, 1 2 3 and फोटो खींचो. बहुत सुंदर लग रही हो. हाँ, बहुत बढ़िया आ गया. मेरी भी ले लो. So beautiful, so beautiful. Just look at the place. It's amazing. I mean, yeah, do you see this? This is the other part. We have some chairs over here. There's my mom, and we have some chairs over here. It's like a very beautiful kind of candlelight type of setting, to be honest. That is the vibe I'm getting now. Candlelight dinner vibe. Yeah, so I'm just getting down, and you see this statue and everything. It's just so beautiful. Like, do you see those lighting? It looks so good. I love this place, man. I'm gonna definitely come here again. So pretty. And this is so nice. I love it. Like, do you see that? Do you see that? And everything. It's very beautiful. This is the area. I mean, this is super calm, quiet. I just want you to listen to the sounds for a minute. I'll keep quiet. Just listen to it. This is the view from the other side. And guys, so sorry for the echo, but I'm in the bathroom and I did not give you a tour of the bathroom, so I'm so I just thought of showing you guys this face mask. This one is by L'Oreal Paris and it's a pure clean face mask. It is for detoxification. I thought it was perfect for travel, so I just got it, but I'm struggling to, what was it? Yeah, I'm struggling to actually open it. Yeah, that is the thing, and I'll just do my face pack and then I can edit maybe. Just washed my face and I think my skin feels quite good, though this is slightly drying, but I'm gonna put a hydrating sheet mask right now. Guys, so I just made a little own working space of mine, like this whole vanity right here and the lamps, and I just organized the space a bit, just tidied up a little bit, and then I just made my own working space. where I can edit nicely. So it's 12:33 and I still haven't slept because I don't feel sleepy. I don't feel sleepy, and we just had this celebration like from 11:59 to 12:10. A very short one. They're still celebrating in their room, but me and my mom actually came in our room. We were waiting for Gitu auntie to come. Like I'm waiting. My mom slept. Yeah.
I just discovered that this part where they had the lantern and I feel so good once again. My skin looks luminous without any filter and hashtag no filter waves. And I just look at it. It's so good. And that part was too dark with this side. It's so nice and bright. I really like it, and I'm still editing a little bit and then I'll read my book. If I get some time, then I'll sleep, and hopefully I can wake up to see the sunset. No, I can wake up to see the sunrise. Because I want to take a rest to the sunrise point as well. And yeah, so let me just finish my work.
And then I'll read my novel and then good night. Just good night. I just want to say a good night and that's it. And if you're watching it in the morning or in the afternoon, nothing else to say.
Just tell me what to